So we start off today's video with this hair transformation. She has some beautiful ginger colored hair. Whoa, wow. She looks like a completely different person with this bob makeover. Now she did switch up the color as well, but she looks absolutely phenomenal. Very nice. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be checking out some really cool hair transformations. Here we have someone that decided to switch things up by going blonde. Wow. This hairstylist has a way of making her clients look like completely different people when she gives them a makeover. Amazing. Now, if you guys are like me and you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyle changes, options, and ideas, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have the client who has hair just around her shoulders. Stylist does some face framing bangs. As you guys know, the Bordeaux bangs are trending heavily right now. And it looks like he did a nice little layered shoulder length bob cut. Beautiful tousled waves, very nice. Next up, we see someone with hair around their shoulders. Looks like she's getting some color done and doing more of a darker bob for this transformation. Oh, wow. Beautiful chocolate brown color. So pretty. And this is such a gorgeous hue, especially for like the fall and winter season. Very Next up, we have someone with mid-back length hair. Now, if I had to guess, I would say she's probably going to be getting layers. Well, let's see what the stylist ends up doing. Looks like he's mixing in some color. Oh, wow. So she went with more of like an ash blonde dimensional look. Oh, this is beautiful. Very nice. And then we have our last transformation. So she has some darker ends here. I can't wait to see what the stylist does for this one. Oh, beautiful money piece highlight. She also, of course, got a color refresh on with the brunette. Beautifully done. This stylist is definitely talented. She's so good at doing color. All right, you guys, I hope you were able to find some hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.